Today we are going to be putting a new fuel pump in my 2002 Arctic Cat Mountain Cat 600 EFI. So first things first, we're going to pop this hood open. Move that. I got to take the seat off right after we... There we go. It's out of the way. Then we're going to loosen those, or take the seat bolts out. We can slide it back to get easier access to the pump. So you got two down there. They're 7/16. So put my wrench in there. I'll get this taken off. Okay, got the camera set up, and I'll go take these seat bolts out. Sometimes they're a real pain getting out. These ones seem to come out quite easily. Lift it up, pull it back a bit. Then you can see we have full access to the fuel pump. See better. Let's do this deal. Take the plastic cap off. And the fuel pump you can just pull straight out. There we go. So there's your pump, and you got your pickup filters. You're gonna pull these filters off and this hose off, and then we'll attach it onto the new one. Here's the new one, or I guess I should say replacement fuel pump. Simply the one that actually works. Just go here, attach that fuel hose back on, and we'll drop her down in the tank. One towards the back and the other one towards the front. There we go. Then we'll grab our cap. Just screw it back on. One of these two hoses is our return, and one's the pickup, or the one's delivery and one's return. This one here, I believe, is return. And this one here is pickup. Slide that. Or I guess, sorry, not pickup. This one is out. So this one's to the fuel rail, and this one is the return. Those there. And before we get everything buttoned up, we're gonna test to make sure that this pump and components are working. We'll see if it'll pump fuel. Get that camera a little closer. See so you can see fuel going through those lines. is working. That's good. We'll get her buttoned back up and then see if it'll fire. Right here. Put these. This seat put back on. Washers on the nuts. All buttoned down. Now we're gonna see if she'll start. you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just go onto my channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.